Doing good, I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my WIX free website review. WIX is one of the best website builders around, and the thing about WIX that I really love, and so many persons actually love too, is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. So all you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you have two options. You can either choose to use AI by tapping on Start Chat, or you can choose to set up without AI. So I'm going to select Set up without chat. After you have done that, you can type in what type of website you would like to create. And believe me, you can type in any niche or any business, and you'll find suggestions that you can quickly use and personalize to your liking. Now let's say, for example, I want to create a consultation website. So I'm going to select consultant. Then from there, I'm going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to this page. And by the way, with Wix, you can also use it to create e-commerce website and any other type of website. All you'll need to do once on this page, you can enter in your business name. Then you can enter in your business address. Then tap on continue. From here, you'll be able to set up your working hours. So for example, I will open my business for 5 days per week, so Monday to Friday, and I can edit the time. So let's say we'll be open for business from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So I'll select that. Then I'm going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you can see some sample services that they have suggested. If you don't see a service that you offer or would like to offer, you can tap on create new service and you can create the service. But I'm just going to select a few of these sample services. So let me do that real quick. After you have selected them, you'll tap on continue. From here, you have the option to add staff members. So you can add the staff member name and email address. Then we'll tap on continue once more. And will you be offering these services virtually? Yes, I will. Will you be accepting payments online? And if you would like to sync your personal calendar, you can do that. If you would like to send automated emails and SMS, you can do that also. Then you'll tap on continue once more and tap on continue to dashboard. After tapping on continue to dashboard, you'll be redirected to your Wix dashboard. Once on the dashboard, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option and select catalog. After selecting catalog, from here you're going to select booking services. And you can see the different services that I had added earlier. And if you didn't add any service and you would like to create one, you can tap on add a new service in the top right hand corner. Now to edit the services that we have added, we're going to tap on edit. After tapping on edit, from here you could change the name. You could also add a tagline and description. And if you would like to change the cover image, you can do that by tapping on edit image. You can also change the duration of the service. So let's say, for example, 45 minutes. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can set up your pricing plan right here. So whether you'd like to offer it for free, varied price, or a custom price, or a fixed price, you can select that. You can also input the price that you would like to charge, and you can also select the location. So whether it is a business address, video conferencing, or so on, you can select that. You can also select a staff member that you would like to assign it to. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. After you have saved the changes, and I would recommend that you continue editing each service and set the price that you would like to offer it for. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and tap on getting paid. Once you have tapped on getting paid, I want you to tap on connect payment method. and depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. For example, at the moment I'm located in Jamaica, and these are the payment options that I would be able to provide my customers with. So for example, I could connect PayPal, I can also connect TiloPay, and if I were to tap on see more payment options, from here I'll be able to connect a few more payment options. So let me tap on that, and normally you'll be able to connect a few more payment options. If I were to change my location to Canada or any other first world country, you'll realize that I'm provided with even more payment options than that. But keep in mind, to receive payments online using WIX, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But on the free plan, you'll be able to offer services and all of that. You can even set up an e-commerce store. You just won't be able to accept payments online. So that's the only pullback. If you're looking to accept payments online, you'll need to go onto their paid plan. But their paid plans are quite affordable, and we'll be looking at that later. But let me show you how to continue setting it up. So you can tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you will tap on design site in the top right hand corner, and we're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you'll be redirected to the themes page. From here, you can select whichever one of these themes you like, or you can simply tap on the search bar here, and you could type in a different, for example, a different niche or so on, and you'll be provided with different options. Let's say, for example, we were to select this one. All we'll need to do is tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you'll be redirected to the WIX editor page. On the editor page, you'll be able to add your own personal touches to your website. So you can see that it is loading up right there. Once it has loaded up, you have the option to either type out some information and use the WIX AI content generator to generate content for your site, or you can choose to close it. Then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and at the moment this is how my website looks. To edit your WIX website is quite easy and straightforward. Just hover over the sections you like to change. So I can change the name there, then tap on edit. From there I'll be able to change the name to, for example, Simple Answers. I can do that real quick. Just type it in, and to edit any other section, all you have to do is hover over the section. So for example, if I want to change this section, I can simply tap on it. Then from there I could tap on change background, and I could change the background color or image. Any section you like to change, or you can tap on the pencil from the right hand menu option. After you have tapped on the pencil, from there you can simply scroll down, and if I wanted to change the image, I could do that. If you want to go to the about section, you can tap there, and you can edit the about section. So you'll be able to edit each section on your website quite easily by selecting the particular section. And it is as easy as that to edit your WIX website. If you would like to add elements, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and you can add text or any other form of element to your website. And by the way, to view the pages on your website, you will tap on home in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different pages right there. And once you're finished editing your website, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will be live. And as I was saying earlier, if we were to compare the prices, so let us do that real quick. Let me tap on compare prices so you can see the different price ranges. As I was saying, it starts off at $7 per month, and it goes up to $46 per month depending on the features you want. And this is the business and e-commerce plan.